Rajlakshmi, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Please put on the group immediately. The group on which teachers are also there. I want all the students to immediately attend the class.
Okay, ma'am.
And right there, only 5 students are there. Yes. So today we want to see tree traversals, how the vertices of tree can be visited. There are 3 different ways to visit a tree, and this concept will help you in computer science. In third year BSc, you will have these tree traversals to apply. Okay. So this is a very important concept. In order traversal, pre-order traversal, and post-order traversal. Okay. So I will share this page also with you all on Moodle along with the video. Is that okay, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us see what is a pre-order traversal. Now see, I hope you all these concepts, all the terminologies are clear to you related to a binary tree. In a binary tree, there is a vertex of order of degree 2. There are intermediate vertices of degree 3, and there are pendant vertices. So there are only 3 types of vertices, degree 1, degree 2, and degree 3. Okay, in binary tree. Please remember this, in binary tree. Yeah, now suppose I draw a tree, a very simple tree I am drawing. Okay, this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Yes, all of you can see the tree. What is this? Yes. This is root of the tree, right? Okay.
Yes.
This is left subtree. And this is right subtree. Okay, once you understand left, right concepts and the root, it is easier for us to write the tree traversals. Okay, now these tree traversals are written, tree traversals are written or considered with respect to the root, with respect to the position of the root in the traversal. Okay. Please write this page, then I will go to the next.
Done.
Finished, girls?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
if we write the route in the middle, then it will be in order traversal. If we write the route in the beginning of every tree, in the beginning of the traversal, then it is pre-order traversal. If we write the route at the end, it becomes post-order traversal. That's why I have written that tree traversals are written with respect to the position of the route in the traversal. Okay, so let us see the first one, that is pre-order traversal. Now, what is this pre-order traversal? Write the route in the first place. Then write the leftmost subtree, left subtree in pre-order, and then right subtree, I'm sorry, and then right subtree in pre-order. Means what? In left subtree also, you have to write its root first, then its left to right subtrees. In right subtree also, you have to write its root first, then left subtree of it and right subtree of it. Okay. So for example, now this page I am duplicating just for instance. So step by step, we will see how to write it, how to write the tree traversal. So what is the root of this tree? Which vertex is the root of this tree?
A.
A. So I will write A first and put the vertex here. Then you write the left subtree. So left subtree I will draw actually here. B, D, E. Then I will draw the right subtree. C, F, G. This is my first step. Do you understand it, girls?
Yes.
Root first, then left subtree. This is the order. Root, left subtree, right subtree. Okay. Then I will continue doing this. Now the left subtree again. This subtree, left subtree, I will write in pre-order. In its pre-order. So can you tell me left subtree ki pre-order? What is the root of left subtree?
B.
B. So I have to write B first. Do you understand it? And its left subtree, B का left subtree कौन है? D है, right? And E क्या है उसका?
Yes.
Right subtree. So I will write left subtree first, that is D. Then I will write right subtree. Is that okay? Have you finished with left subtree?
Yes.
Yes. Now, right subtree. Right subtree, what is the root of right subtree?
C.
C. So I will write C first. Then what is the left subtree of this right subtree?
F.
F. So I will write F and then I will write G. Okay. So A, B, D, E, C, F, G is the pre-order traversal of the tree. Is that okay? Have you understood it?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Then next we will write in order traversal. This is pre-order. Now this is second in order traversal. So what you have to do now, in order, matlab middle mein. This is pre-order. Pre means in the first position. Okay, pre means first, in means middle, post means at the end. So write the left subtree, then root, and then right subtree. Okay? Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Right left subtree in its in order. Okay? Root and then right subtree. So these are the steps you need to follow. ये पहली स्टेप है कि पहले आप मेन ट्री का लेफ्ट सब ट्री लिखोगे, फिर रूट लिखोगे, फिर राइट सब ट्री लिखोगे, फिर लेफ्ट सब ट्री को वापस आप इन ऑर्डर में लिखोगे जब तक सिंगल वर्टेक्स पे नहीं आते हो. Okay, so write left subtree in its in order, then root, and then right subtree also in its in order. Okay, and continue. Continue till you get single vertex. Okay. This is very important question, girls. Finished? Have you finished it?
Yes.
So let us write the given tree in its in order. अभी इसे मैं कॉपी करती हूँ. Yes. Now we will write its in order. Can anyone tell me in order कैसे लिखूं? क्या होगी फर्स्ट स्टेप बताओ. पहले क्या लिखना है?
Left subtree.
लेफ्ट सबट्री मतलब क्या? BDE. Yes. BDE. Then we have root, that is vertex A. Then we have right subtree CFG. Yes. Second step. Now this is your left subtree. left subtree, then root, then right subtree. Now I have to write the left subtree in order. Okay, the left subtree in order. So what is the left subtree in order? पहले क्या लिखूं?
D.
D. That is the left subtree of this left subtree. Then its root, na? B. Then E. Then A. Then F. Then C. Then G. Okay, so D, B, E, A, F, C, G is the everybody is getting this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Tell me when you finish writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now let us write the last one. So write the left subtree first. Left subtree, then right subtree, and in the end, right root. Write each left subtree in its post order, then root, and then write right subtree in its post order, and continue. Finish writing?
Yes.
So for example, now if we do the, if we write post order of this tree traversal? Tell me the first step. Yes.
Left subtree. Left subtree.
Left subtree, that is BDE. Then
Right subtree.
right subtree CFG. And then root. Okay. Now second step, we will write each left and right subtree in its post order. Yes, can you tell me which vertex I should write first?
D.
First the left, then
E. B.
then
B.
yes, B.
D.
Then
F. C.
F. First this left subtree, no? Then right subtree, then root. F, G, then C, and at the end the main root. Okay? So D, E, B, F, G, C, A. Yes, any doubt? So if a tree is given, then you should be able to write or identify its pre-order, in-order, post-order traversals. Every time tree will not be this much easy. Okay? Now I'm giving you one example. You all have to solve it and tell me all the orders. Finished writing? Have you finished it, girls? Yes. Write the in-order, pre-order, and post-order traversals for the given tree.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, solve it and tell me the answers. Okay, you have to solve step by step. Don't be in hurry. Don't write it directly. Okay, I want all the steps to be performed in between. Take 5 minutes. Yes, done, girls. Tell me pre-order.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me pre-order traversal.
First route A.
You tell me the vertices. I'm just writing the answer. You can tell me the final answer. Are you all writing it, girls? Are you doing it in step-by-step order?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me pre-order final answer. Anyone?
A, B.
Okay. Okay, I will write in steps. Okay, let us first see A. After A, what do we have? We have A. Then we have the left
H,
side.
E, I.
E, B, E. Then I have H, I. Then I'm writing the right subtree. This is your first step. Have you got it? The first step?
Yes,
Hmm. Then now write the root. Then again this subtree you have to write in its pre-order. So what is the root of this left subtree?
D.
D. So you have to write D first. Then its left subtree, that is B. Then its right subtree, that is E, H, I. Then again, what is the root of this right subtree? What is the root of this tree?
C.
C. So that you have to write first. C. Then its left subtree, that is F, and its right subtree, that is G, J, K. Okay. And the last step now would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 vertices. So first we have A, then D, then B, then what? Can you tell me the next vertex?
E.
E, then
E.
H,
H, I. C. I. G. C. F.
G,
G. J.
then
K.
J, and then K. Okay. Have you understood it? So when there are big trees, you have to do it in step by step.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't do it directly. Now, can you write post order and in order traversals on your own?
Yes.
Yes. So give me final answers directly. Post order. पोस्ट ऑर्डर बताओ क्या है? ये वाला डायरेक्टली आंसर बता दो ऐसे, वर्टेक्स वाला. Post means at the end root will appear. First the left subtree, right subtree, then root. करो जल्दी करो. Yes, post order.
DHI
H
D
I, then
EB
B
F
F
JK GCA.
Now in order. You can tell me in order.
DB
DB
HE
HE
IA FC
FC.
J GK.
Correct. Very good, Mahep. So all of you have understood it? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So
मैम
trees.
ऑर्डर में नहीं हो रहा है मैम 2 मिनट स्लाइड दिखाओ ना वो वाली। एक बार फिर से बोलो ना
हाँ.
ऑर्डर का।
दिखाई दिया क्या अभी?
यस मैम।
हाँ, लिखो. Finished, girls? Have you finished it? So trees
Yes,
chapter
ma'am.
is very important. Okay. From your exam point of view, trees is very important chapter. Do not skip any of the concepts from trees. Okay. We saw different properties of trees. That a tree on n vertices has n-1 edges. Every edge is a bridge. Okay. A tree is a connected circuit free graph. Every edge is a bridge. If you delete any edge, the graph becomes disconnected. Okay, then we saw spanning trees. Okay, and minimal spanning tree. So I have taught you only Kruskal's algorithm. Minimal spanning tree, Kruskal's algorithm. If time permits, after finishing the 5th chapter, I will show you what is Prim's algorithm. It is very easy, but this one approach is sufficient for us. Minimal spanning tree using Kruskal's algorithm, we use edges here. And in Prim's algorithm, we use vertices. That is the difference. But ultimately, the same minimal spanning tree we get using either of the algorithms. Okay. Then we had fundamental theorem and fundamental cut sets. Fundamental circuit and fundamental cut sets. And binary trees. So here maximum height, minimum height is important. And tree traversals. Okay. So this chapter is very, very important for you. So this finishes trees now. In the next lecture, that is tomorrow at 8 o'clock, I am going to take my lecture. Okay, which is in the timetable, 8 a.m. Is that okay, Maheb? You will remind me.
Yes, ma'am.
8 o'clock, we will start the last chapter, that is directed graphs. Okay. Now we will stop here. Let me